that your health issues are severe, or you don't know what to do to heal yourself. You've been to the conventional routes and nothing is working and you're about to give up. What do you do? How do you go about healing yourself? Is there a very simple way to do it? The answer is yes. The body is a very, very complex machine. In fact, scientists don't know much about it, but we do know from thousands of years of natural medicine and from practicing healing oneself that there are certain ways you can heal yourself. The first and foremost thing when you are in trouble and you need to heal yourself is to change your diet. You have to stop eating cooked foods, animal products, dairy milk, anything cooked, starches has to be stopped immediately. The reason for this is because the human species is a fruit-eating species. We eat fruits. We're designed for fruits, and it's what makes us thrive. When we eat foods that are alien to this, we begin to get the problems. And after years of eating the wrong foods, it accumulates and we get in trouble, and that's why we are here where we are today. Okay? So first and foremost, change your diet. You want to go on 100% fruits. Now this is for healing. Okay, you're trying to heal something, so it's fruits 100%. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can eat any kind of fruits. It can be oranges, grapes, it can be strawberries. Whatever you choose, you can have it. Just don't have avocados, bananas, dates, or figs, because these are sweet and heavy and they tend to slow the healing process. They are fantastic fruits, but not when you're trying to heal. Stick to oranges, citrus fruits are the most powerful. Grapes are another good one. Okay, and you're on your way to healing, because the body, when it gets unhealthy, is due to the fact that it's obstructed. It's obstructed due to the fact that we're eating the foods that are not being able to process properly in the body. So this creates a block in energy flow. The three energy flows of the body are nerve flow, lymph flow, and blood flow. If any of these are obstructed, you will get health issues. So chances are, if you're watching this, you have health issues, you're obstructed. You need to remove this obstruction, and the way to do that is to eat the fruits. Fruits are going to get your lymphatic system moving. Your lymphatic system is the main sewer system in your body. It's the system responsible for removing the acids from your 100 trillion cells plus the acids from the foods you're eating. Okay, if this is not working properly, the acids have nowhere to go and they begin to burn tissues, organs, and glands. Okay, you also want to make sure your stomach and colon is clean. When you eat food, it's supposed to be eliminated quite quickly. It should not get stuck in your colon. When that happens, you're blocking energy flow and you have health issues. So having said that, we have to get rid of all obstructions, and we do that by eating fruits and fruits alone. Now, because of years of stagnation, years of eating the wrong foods, we have stuff in us that we can't get rid of, and that's why we need to detoxify. Detoxification means removing toxins and obstacles in your body that are preventing you from being healthy. And we do that with the diet, number one. And number two, we use herbs. Now, herbs are very important because herbs, they are highly nutritional. They give the body what it needs. Okay, they increase blood flow. The more blood flow to your cells, the healthier it will be. They are anti-inflammatory. Okay, they're gonna keep things cool in your body so that it can function properly. They help lymph flow. They help blood flow. They help fix the tissues, specific tissues. There are herbs that work for each individual tissue. Okay, so if you have kidney issues, you can take herbs that will help heal the kidneys. If you have liver issues, you have herbs that can help you. Okay, so when you come to healing yourself, you're going to go 100% fruits, and then you're going to take herbs. There are 5 basic glands and organs you need to fix when you're healing. These are the endocrine system, the adrenals, kidneys, lymph, and stomach and bowels. Okay, these are crucial. No matter what you're experiencing right now, you have to fix these 5, because these 5 are responsible for most of the functions of the body. Without these 5, you wouldn't be alive today. So always adrenals. Adrenals from 90% of the population is down. Adrenals affect all movement of the body. They are responsible for all the nervous system and neurotransmitters produced by the body. When you are breathing, it's adrenals. When you are running from someone chasing you, is the adrenals responsible. They control everything. They control the kidneys, more importantly. Okay, and the kidneys are responsible for filtering all those acids from your body. If the kidneys are not working properly, they affect the lymphatic system. They affect the organs of the body. Everything is interconnected. Everything is related. So we have herbal tinctures, herbal formulas for each of these glands. Okay, so I'm going to take each one and explain to you the best as I can in the simplest way possible. The first one is the adrenal gland. As I explained, adrenal glands are responsible for the nervous systems of the body. Okay, everything that's automatic, your breathing, your using the washroom, everything is done by the adrenal glands. Adrenal glands also control the kidneys as well. They have to be in good condition. If they're not working properly, you're going to have issues. You're going to get fatigue. You're going to your kidneys are not going to function. It's essentially everything that goes wrong in the body. Adrenals are some way responsible for it. So you want to take herbal tinctures that affect the adrenal glands. The next one you want to take is the kidney. This goes without saying. Kidneys are the main elimination system of the body organ. It takes away all the acids and urinated out of your body. If the kidneys are not working, it will back up, and the body will try and use the skin, which is the third kidney, to push out all the acids or toxins in the body. You don't want it to happen. You want the kidneys to be working properly, because if the waste can go through the kidneys, the rest of the body can function far more effectively. Okay, so we have herbs to function for the kidneys right here. The next one you want to use is for the lymph. Lymph is, again, the main immune system of the body, the main sewer system of the body. It takes all the trash, all the rubbish, all the toxins, all the blocked mucus out of your body through the kidneys. Okay, it goes through to the lymph nodes, where it's acids are converted to a less aggressive acid, and then pass to the kidneys, where it's eliminated. You have to fix the lymphatic system. Fruits will get the lymphatic system moving, but you want herbs to help you give you that extra push. Okay. The next one you want to use is liver and gallbladder. The liver is like a powerhouse of the body. It's responsible for carbohydrate metabolism, amino acid metabolism, and fat metabolism. If the liver is not working properly, everything goes down. Okay, so we take herbs to help us improve our liver function, and we do this daily. Okay, at least for a month. You have to try and fix the liver and gallbladder. Liver and gallbladder, they work together, obviously. The gallbladder holds all the bile that's needed for fat metabolism and a host of other functions, too numerous to mention here. Okay, so liver and gallbladder. Then you want to fix the stomach and bowels. Stomach and bowels is crucial. When you eat food, you have to digest. You have to eliminate it. If you don't eliminate it, well, it backs up. It creates toxins in your body, in your bowels, and that leaches onto your blood, and a host of big problems arise. Okay, you want to clean out the bowels. We use herbs to help us do that. Okay, the bowels and the entire GI tract is responsible for also using nutrients. If it's blocked in any way, shape, or form, you cannot absorb nutrients. You become malabsorbed. You'll be eating a lot of food and nothing's happening. You can't gain weight, and that's because you're not absorbing the nutrients. You're eating a lot, but you're not absorbing the nutrients. It can create a host of problems like gas, and affects every other organ in the body. You want to be taking a stomach and bowel formula always, no matter what condition you're trying to heal. Okay, and then you can also take a parasite formula. Now, most people, 99% of the people walking around have parasites in them: worms, bacteria, and fungus, and this creates bloating, cravings, hunger. Most of the hunger you're feeling right now is not because the body is hungry, it's because the parasites are hungry and you're feeding them directly. You take herbal tinctures to fix this, okay? At least for a month or two, to remove all the aggressive worms, fungus, and bacteria. Fungus like Candida is from poor food combining. If you go on fruits and fruits alone and take some herbal tinctures, you can improve your Candida situation, if not remove it completely. Okay, so it's that simple, folks. You need to go on fruits first to fix the body, to give it what it needs. Fruits have all the nutrients, they're highly astringent, they pull toxins, they clean things up, they hydrate the cell. The sugars are essential for cell function. You're going to get more energy, you're going to feel stronger, you're going to see better, your senses are going to improve, you're going to feel lighter, you're going to lose some weight. It's all fruits. The herbs accentuate or help heal the tissue and regenerate tissue. So when we talk about healing, we talk about detoxifying, which means moving all the toxins, obstructions of the body, and we talk about regeneration, which means the body is regenerating tissue and repairing itself. Okay, this can take time. It can take anywhere from 4 months to a year plus, depending on what you're trying to fix. If it's a severe issue, it's going to take you longer. This is it's a steady progression. In other words, you're going to see improvement immediately, but depending on what you're trying to fix, it may take some time. And to fix and to heal, you need to be on fruits alone. When you get better, when you heal, you can go on some cooked vegetables. I don't recommend you ever go back to meats and dairy products because they are highly obstructive foods and highly acidic and cause 99% of all the problems you're facing right now is due to animal products. Okay.